Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Blair works for Volkswagen in Chattanooga, Tennessee. One night while he was at work, his Tesla captured this Sentry Mode event. First, a car backed into the parking spot next to Blair's car. The man in the back seat then slammed his door into Blair's Tesla while getting out. He then attempted to open the door, but that's when he spotted someone approaching the car. After the man retreated back into the car, a different passenger got out on the other side. We can see him walk in front of the car and get spooked when the Tesla flashes its headlights, signaling that Sentry Mode is recording. The car reversed and all passengers got back into it and they left the parking lot. We can see someone else approached their own car a little ways off, and they probably scared off the suspects. Tom had parked his Model Y at an apartment building with secured parking in North Hollywood, California. Watch what happened when this Range Rover backed up next to the Tesla. Unfortunately, Tom had left his phone in the car, so the car doors were unlocked. Tom believes that the Range Rover slipped through the security gate right after somebody else left. They might have noticed that the Tesla's mirrors were out, a sign that it was left unlocked. They also opened the trunk and went through Tom's belongings. In addition to stealing some things from there, they also stole his new iPhone Max 11. We can see they slammed both the Range Rover's doors into Tom's car and the Tesla's doors into the Range Rover. It's entirely possible that the Range Rover was also stolen. Finally, we see them get back into their car and leave the scene. Cam went grocery shopping at Pruitt's Food located in Ada, Oklahoma. The lines marking the parking spaces weren't very clear, so he tried to park his Tesla as centrally as possible in the open space. As he got out of his car, a man was walking out from the store, and Cam noticed him glancing toward his car. He was parked next to him on the passenger side. Cam says he was a little wary, but kept heading into the store rather than causing a scene. Ada is a small town, and Teslas are rare, so he figured the man was just admiring it. When Cam came back to his car, he noticed that Sentry Mode had captured this event. We see the man loading his groceries into his own car and returning his shopping cart. Next, he approaches the Tesla. He tries to open the driver's door, but he can't figure out how the door handle works. Notice the older woman in the vehicle parked on the driver's side. She's staring at him like she can tell something isn't right. After failing to get the door open, the man gets back into his own car and backs out of the parking spot. We don't know what this guy was trying to do, but guys like this are the reason why Cam never leaves anything openly visible in his car for strangers to see or steal. This is the second Teslacam Stories video we've done on thefts and attempted thefts captured on video by Sentry Mode. If you want to see more, check out the first video here. See you next Sunday.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Cybertruck? My friends, I'll drive diesel, I must make amends. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Cybertruck? My friends, I'll drive diesel, I must make amends.